hope you're doing well. Welcome to Happy Hungry Hippie. What I've been doing is I've been foraging some wild garlic, and I've just been straining and washing some of the leaves here, and I've been doing some other recipes with that. So I've just done a vegan wild garlic pesto with cashew nuts and pistachio nuts there, so check out the recipe for that. But what I want to do is I want to show you what to do with some of the stalks. The whole plant is edible, from the very root to the leaf, and then also the actual buds as well. But just forage responsibly. Now, don't pull up the roots, cut it off from the bottom. In terms of your stalks, just basically chop these up and put them into your blender. And then simply add your apple cider vinegar. Then blend. Now what you can do here is you can just simply pour this, and it's just a mash of the wild garlic stalks and the apple cider vinegar. I'm just going to simply pour this into a container like this. Here we have it, really easy. What I'm also going to do is you're just going to put the lid on here, and that can be put in the fridge or the freezer depending on how quickly you want to use it. So what I'm going to do with these is I'm just going to put these into a colander. I'm just going to rinse these under some water. What I've also done is I've actually sterilised it in my Ninja just for a few minutes, 150 degrees, just to sterilise the jar. And actually label this up here, pickled wild garlic buds. So what I want to do here is I want to use like a brine. I want to ferment this. There's various different ingredients you need. And we're going to use raw apple cider vinegar. I'm also going to use some water. And what I'm going to do with this is I'm just going to put the small amount of water in the pan. And all I want to do is I want to heat this up with the herbs and spices. Now it's up to you what you want to use, but I'm going to use some pink peppercorns, I'm going to use some juniper berries, and I'm going to use some coriander seeds. I'm just going to put that onto the heat, and then I'm going to add the sugar. Now bacteria is going to feed on the sugars, simmer that. I'm just going to stir that through until it's just dissolved. And then to make a brine, you only need 2% salt, so it's just a pinch of salt. I'm going to use some good quality sea salt flakes, just a pinch, and then that's done. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to transfer this into here. That smells absolutely wonderful. And then what we're going to do now is drain this off. I'm just going to press this into the jar. What to do is just want to push that down because you want it to submerge. And this is absolutely amazing to go in sauces or decorative on top of salads. Even as a chutney, you can cut it up and put it on top of some crackers with whatever you have. You add the apple cider vinegar. Once you put in your solution, just want to make sure it's submerged. Try not to touch it with your hand. You don't want to introduce any bad bacteria. Close the lid. Like so. And here we have it, the pickled wild garlic buds. Absolutely amazing. Careful not to pick them all because they do blossom into lovely flowers, and you can actually do some really nice decorative things with the actual flowers themselves. So, really hope you enjoyed this show. Please do subscribe, lots of love and passion going into this. Also, please check out my playlist of other wild garlic inspired recipes. I've just covered one recently with a vegan whole food plant-based pesto, so please check that out. Really do enjoy your foraging and enjoying really healthy, sustainable foods, getting out there and fresh air as well. So stay healthy everyone. Enjoy.